10 uncommon facts about fishes. 1. Some fish can walk on land, like the mudskipper, which uses its fins to move on mud and breathe through its skin. 2. Parrotfish sleep in a mucus bubble. This bubble protects them from predators by hiding their scent. 3. Fish can recognize human faces. Archerfish have been proven to distinguish between different human faces. 4. Clownfish can change gender. All clownfish are born male, and the dominant one can become female if needed. 5. Sharks don't have bones. Their skeletons are made entirely of cartilage, making them lighter and more flexible. 6. Seahorses are the only animals where males get pregnant. The male carries and births the babies. 7. Some fish glow in the dark. Deep-sea fish like the anglerfish use bioluminescence to lure prey. 8. Fish communicate with sound. They make popping, clicking, or grunting noises to warn others or attract mates. 9. Lungfish can survive without water. They can bury themselves in mud and breathe air for months or even years during droughts. 10. Goldfish can lose their color without enough light or if kept in poor conditions. Goldfish can turn white or pale. Subscribe to my channel for more uncommon information about animals.